Hi guys, this video is going to be about cleaning and trying to organize my hot mess craft room slash guest room. I hope you like it, and then sit back, get a cup of coffee or pop iced tea and enjoy. Okay guys, so I know it actually probably looks worse than the first picture, but I brought a lot of the stuff that I had to put away in. And I don't know about you guys, but I make a bigger mess as I organize. So this will be cleared off the bed. So my craft room is slash a guest bedroom too. So I have a day bed in here. But what I added in here was this organizer. And I already had this one, okay? I added this one, and it is a 4-shelf, and they were singles, so I had to stack those. This one came together, that's why it's taller. But Walmart, best organizing shelf units. And then I bought the bins. So all that is organized with my ribbons, which I'll show you guys at the end. But I just wanted to kind of hop in here. Oh, and then I purchased that. No, I had that one. Sorry. This is the one I got 3 of those. That's what's stacked over there. So I will continue to kind of go through, show you my progress, and I'll be back. Okay, guys, look at clean sheets, clean bedding, and voila, a bed. So I will say I am going to end up moving some items back over here. I still have some organizing, but I wanted to get the bed kind of cleared off because literally everything was thrown on it. So what I'm going to do is I started piling like pictures, things like that over here. We are going to move them onto the bed. We're going to organize this area next. I would show you guys what I'm doing, but it's too hard. So I hope you like the way I'm doing it, kind of showing you the before and then kind of where we're at afterwards. And at the end, I will kind of go through each item. Okay, guys, I got really into it and forgot about filming things in between. As you can see, the bed kind of filled back up a little bit. But a lot of that is pictures and trying to decide what I'm keeping, what's going over here. Look, and then I flipped that way. I also organized under there, that drawer. It was full to the max. So this is where we're at right now. And then, like I said, at the end, I'm going to go through and give you little tips that I used. Thanks. Hi guys, so this is, I organized my craft room. I have clips of the before, and I'm going to go through and show you the after. I'll be honest, it was really hard, so there was a lot of stuff missed, but I hope you get the gist of how I organized my craft room slash guest bedroom. So here we go. Okay, this is what you see when you first walk into the room. You see our day bed, which that way when guests come, they have a place to stay. The bottom pops out. We have the trundle. I'm just going to give you a quick overview of the room, and then we'll talk about a little bit of what I did, what I used for organizing. And then this is that wall that I told you I put the command strips on to hold the wreaths that I haven't sold or I'm working on. This is where I usually hang them as I'm working on them. That's a closet, and I'll show you what's in there. But yeah, this is what I've done so far. I feel like it turned out really good. I'm very happy, and it's an area where I feel like I can craft in. So I'll show you what's in the closet. So over in here, yeah, it still looks a little cluttered. I have all my lights, battery operated lights that I use, different items that I use on wreaths. So like those are Christmas items. Extra up here is extra items for decorating. What I did was hung my wreaths forms back here on the back of the walls, and I have like the different holidays. Then I have some back here, and then ones that I may be working on or are just won't hang properly there. I have some of my mesh over here. This one is full of like flower picks, different seasons. This is more my greenery one. This has more wreath forms, and the same with this one. But what I use, these are great. You can pick these up at Walmart, Target, and they're good for storing items. This one has a lot of my paper craft items here. So that's pretty much what I got going on in the closet. Now over here, I have, because I wanted it to not only look like a craft room, but still be pleasing for someone that would be staying here. I bought these at Walmart, and I feel like they are wonderful. I also bought the storage bins, and you can get them, order them online, have them sent to your home, and no shipping is, you don't charge because it's so much. So each one, I have them sorted. I know they're pretty full. That's why I'm thinking of doing a series for you guys. We'll pick 2 bins, and I got to figure out a DIY. So this has a lot of frames, different things that I would use like that. Some wood pieces in this one. The top one has a lot of the crafty items, like I have fat quarters. I have, what are they called? I have like stuff like this, felt, all those type of things. And then this grass, I just ran out of space, so that's in there. This is all my fairy garden stuff that I want to work on this summer. I told you it would be really fun to do that. And the bottom one here is more like more items to craft with. And yeah, I know. This is why I said I need to stop going and start crafting. This organizer over here is done by holidays. So each bin has, like this first one is fall. It's overfilling. I actually have 1.5 of fall and Halloween and 2 Christmas ones. So I have fall, I have Valentine's, I have Easter and St. Patty's Day, 4th of July, and like summer. But that's how I do it. So then when it comes to that season, all I got to do is pull out that bin and then grab other items to go with it. Over here are all my ribbons and mesh. This whole one. So this one is 2 single ones. That one was stacked. I want to say this one was $69.99. These were maybe $49. I'm not sure. But they're on Walmart.com. They are by Better Homes and Gardens. But what I did with these, this is like all my fall, Halloween ribbons that I use. These are all the single small ribbons. And I have these in little containers, so I can just pull them out and look at what's underneath it. This is just mesh, and I kind of sorted the mesh by like seasons, the colors of seasons that I would do. Like this is obviously going to be more my fall, Halloween, those type of colors. This one I think had a lot of my spring, Christmas. And then this is more ribbon. This is like Easter, spring, stuff like that. This one is like yarn and rope and all of that. So this is what I'm talking about. I need to craft, guys. They're so full. Now this corner has kind of, this is where I kind of catch all. But it's another little organizer. This has like little things that I might need when I'm painting, different stuff like that. This is all glues and tapes. And then, you know, just little things to make it a little cozier. And then over here I have my Cricut. Down there is my laptop. This is all my Cricut, like a lot of my Cricut supplies are in here. These are tools that I would use. My painting supplies or painting brushes, things like that are in here. This is just some extra books that either I have read or I use for decorating. More Cricut supplies. I like to keep the foam like that. Now this is one of the ideas I like. It looks a little messy right now, but when it's done right, yeah. I use the Dollar Tree baskets. I hooked them up with Command, and then I usually do by like color coordinated or like fall, spring, things like that. And then over here I have another storage from Walmart, and this has like my paint. These are extra decor items. This has a lot of like markers and signs for my wreaths, things like that. So I hope you guys like this video. This was a little different for me, so forgive me if it's not the best quality or I didn't show you. But if you guys have any questions or comments about something that you've seen or how I did it or where I got something at, please comment below. I hope you guys like this. I really enjoy my craft room now that it's cleaned up. I can get in here, and I'm really going to try to keep it that way. And I'm going to start crafting. So you guys make sure you give me the big thumbs up, and I'll see you in the next video. What else? I think that's it. Have a great day.